Hello everyone, I am Carla. Hello, ako po si Carla and today we are going to tackle about reading practice. So mag-aaral tayo ngayon ng reading pattern or reading practice. So ngayon, we have four consonants. So we have um kiyok, niyan, digat, real. Kiyok, niyan, digat, and real. So pag nasa unahan sila, we are using the initial sounds, pero pag nasa dulo, we are using the final sounds of each consonant. So let's try to find out. Let's try to read using these words. Shall repeat after me. If you're watching this video, please try to read after me or repeat after me. 자, 따라하세요. 까, 꺄, 꺼, 껴, 꼬, 교, 꾸, 규, 끄, 끼, 깨, 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 꽈, 꿰, 꿰, 꿔, 꿰, 꿰, 끄이. Very good. So these are the words using the kiyok, combination of kiyok and the double vowels. Now let's go with niyan. Na, nya, no, nyo, no, nyo, nu, new, 느, 니, 네, 녜, 네, 녜, 놔, 뇌, 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 뉘, 의. 잘하셨습니다. You did a good job. So, okay, let's more. So, the third consonant. So, let's go with digat. 자, 다, 야, 떠, 뼈, 또, 요, 두, 유, 드, 디, 대, 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 예, 둬, 돼, 돼, 둬, 돼, 뒤, 의. Oh, 잘하셨습니다. And the last consonant, we have real. Now, let's go. 라, 야, 러, 려, 로, 료, 루, 류, 르, 리, 레, 리에, 레, 리에, 라, 레, 레, 러, 뢰, 리, and 르이. 너무 잘하셨습니다. So these are the Giyok, Nian, Digat, Real combination vowels. So please try to read these words and then during our next class, we are going to practice the next four consonants, which is Real, Miyam, Miyam, Biyap, Shiyot, and then Iyang입니다. So thank you for today and see you again in our next meeting. 감사합니다. Please follow me in Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Bye-bye.